How to use Facebook without Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll go ahead and show the steps on how you can use Facebook without Messenger. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go through. In order to use Facebook without Messenger, what you can do is now, after the latest update, you'll be able to use Facebook and Messages as well without Messenger. Now, what I can do is simply go ahead and open up or uninstall the free Messenger. I'll remove it completely here, by the way. Now, if I head over to Facebook, right, I have the Facebook app. So here, if I head over to Messages, now it'll open up Messages right here on Facebook. So it'll run security checks here and it'll open up. So you can see here, now you can use the default messaging on Facebook now after the updates. Similarly, if you can also log into your Facebook on the web browser, so that's Chrome and such, on your Windows, or you can use the desktop site on your phone as well, and you can access your messages and make calls and text easily without Messenger. So this is how you can use Facebook without Messenger. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.